Yeah.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of this Orc Hippo Rider painting tutorial. Today I'll be tackling the skin of the orc, so let's just get straight into it. I'm going to start off by using Iosin Green to base coat the entire orc. I thinned this down 50-50 with water, and applied 2 thin coats. Remember to take your time when you get close to the hippo's skin. You don't want to get any of the green color on it.
Change it up for next season, 'cause in the end, there's no reason. You heat me up, you cool me down, you make me fly, I hit the ground. Awful dreams, day are gone, so take a bow, 'cause it's still, take some rest and calm down, because tomorrow will come around. Topless mountains in my way now, there's no way to be okay. Topless mountains in my way now, there's no way to be okay.
Once the Iosin Green base coat has dried, I'm going to come in and do a heavy wash of Agrex Earthshade. Remember, when washing, do not let the wash pool in any one area. If it does, just get your brush and wick it away. I will do 2 coats of this wash. I'm going to let the first layer dry and then come back in with the second, giving each layer about 20 minutes to fully dry.
Got it figured out, but hey, that's alright with me.
Now that the wash is dried, you can see it's made a big difference to the skin of the orc. It's easier now to see all the different muscle groups, which will make it much easier to paint. I'm going to come back in with my original base color of Iosin Green and layer the tops of each of the muscles, leaving the recesses in the dark color. But if you do get any of the Iosin Green into the recesses, don't worry, let it dry and then come back and recess shade Agrex Earthshade into it. Once my first highlight of Iosan Green has dried, I'm going to come back in and mix 50-50 Iosan Green and Necrotite Green, both are P3 paints, and start highlighting each of the muscle groups. I'm going to be focusing on the top areas of each muscle, and any areas that I feel some interest is required. For the final highlight, I'm going to come in with pure Necrotite Green to pick out the edges and very tops of each muscle group. With this color, all I'm going to be doing is finding the absolute tops of each muscle. If it's in shadow, then I will leave it. But if you want some extra visual interest, then you may paint it in. Thank you all for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave links to Beholder Miniatures, Patreon and charts in the description below. In part 3 of this video, I will be finishing all the rest of the details, so please stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe, and if there's anything else you would like me to cover, please leave it in the comments below, and I will see you all in my next video.